Hey YouTube, this is Facial with Simply Lavish at Home, and today for your glamorous Halloween festivities, I'm showing you how I iced out these skulls. Now, a while ago, actually quite a bit ago, I was in Tuesday morning and saw these skulls on display, and I thought that would make a really cool craft project to share with you guys, so check it out. So what I got today is a Dollar Tree skull. Now, I don't know if you remember how these looked last year, but this one is so much better from what the Dollar Tree skulls used to look like. A lot more realistic looking. So I have one of these guys. It's a package of gemstones. Some of these like silver kind of pearls. Regular white colored pearls, some sequins. I have some glitter. I hope to not use the glitter because I really don't feel like cleaning up glitter. It'll be all over the house forever, but if I need to fill in some spaces, I have the glitter. Therefore, I have my glitter and paint catching pan, which is basically one of the Dollar Tree burner covers that I use to catch paint and stuff like that. I have my hot glue gun, I have some regular glue all, and some tweezers. This is really one of those projects that you can't mess up. So you just stick things where you want them to go. You know, just no really rhyme or reason, just pick a look and go for it. Now, the reason I'm using both hot glue and regular glue all is because I need the hot glue for the stones and the pearls because they're heavier. I need the glue to dry quickly to hold them in place. But things like the glitter and the sequins, those things are light and you need a little bit of time to finesse them. So you see that I've gone in with the hot glue to put the larger stones on, and then I'm accenting the skull's tooth line and gum. Well, they doesn't have any gums, but the tooth line with some small stones. And now you see me here going in with the glue, going around the crystals that I put on earlier, and with the glue and sprinkling on the sequins. I did end up going in and using a little bit of glitter too, just to fill in some of those gaps. When you're working with sequins, also remember to shake them up because sometimes they'll stick together and to make them a little more cumbersome to work with. So I'm just going for it. I feel that eye socket, the little pan, the burner cover is coming really in handy, catching some of the loose stones and the sequins. And then one of the things that you think about with this project is that when you think you've done enough, you could probably do some more. So I went on and added a little bit more sequins to the side just to keep going. Every time I thought I'd stop, I just kept going with some of those. And then here's the team. So that was the one you just saw me working on. He's all finished. And then we have this guy over here where I give him almost a full cap of stones and sequins and accented around the nose and mouth. And then this one who's jauntily sporting her crown. I'd like to think maybe this is what you'll see if you dig me up 100 years from now, that all is left is a skull and a crown. But tell me what you think. I think these will, what are these, scary glam? What is this? Spooky chic? Tell me what you think this is. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments below, and thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful Halloween. Until next time, here's to living simply lavishly. Cheers.